Ratchet the Clank versus Crash! Finally attack Slideshow! No, get the crap! Not the beach! No,
Greetings, cadet.
don't the crap on the beach!
Rangers, I'm placing you under arrest.
Oh, you can't do that. I'll just arrest you right back.
On what charge?
False arrest, being annoying, who cares?
You stabbed your own team in the back, Quark.
Just like you stabbed me in the back. Taking my fans, my sponsors, my lucrative endorsement deals, my parking space.
You were my hero.
Don't I'm not gonna get the beach and I'm gonna get the
I am way better looking than nefarious.
the crab!
By force if necessary.
Oh, widow wombat with a widow girl.
What? Don't do this.
Tell me what I want to do.
On your left, Ratchet. Now you're right.
No, I Quark!
Nefarious is tricking you. He wants you to destroy the entire system.
Oh, that's right. You know everything.
Uh-oh.
Hey, why don't we all just listen to Ratchet?
Ratchet, look out.
It was guy!
Buzz blades? I taught you better than that. But it was not my mouth. It's in my mouth.
He's just too good. Oh dear.
Nefarious may be a homicidal lunatic, but he sure can build a gun.
Quark, please! You're not a villain! You're not like Nefarious! This isn't you and you know it! If Umbrus is destroyed...
I know, I'm not important!
Including us!
No, my holy sister.
Dad,
No, it is managed.
I'm sorry. I don't know how things got this far.
This is just...
He's ringing! He's going outside! It's over!
As head of the Galactic Rangers, he's here to place you under arrest.
Me?
Absolutely. Arrest this man for his unspeakable crimes against the galaxy.
My crimes? The real crime is how you treated me. The Rangers couldn't even give me a proper laboratory.
We have an operational budget.
You called me king of the nerd herd.
It was a term of endearment.
Day after day, I slaved away, creating all the weapons and devices.
No! We're gonna get in trouble! I need to case it!
You're not
Let
even
us fire it!
You're the galaxy's biggest joke.
Maybe. But now the last laugh is on
You.
Wait, what?
Don't worry, make it sense.
No, it didn't. It sounded like you were combining the joke is on you with I'll have the last laugh.
Take your pick.
That's not how it works.
Get ready to engage mag boosters!
Ratchet and Clank are still inside.
Drek's gonna fire at any moment. We don't have any more time.
My point is, if you're gonna use a one-liner, it should make sense and be relevant to the situation.
Look, I workshop thousands of these a year, and they can't all be gold. So put your hands in the air.
Over your dead body.
working. Stay with it.
Steady now. Steady.
What's happening?
Deplanetizing. Now online.
Quark! Don't let him turn it on.
Get off me, you has-been. You know, maybe Clank was right. I am a mad scientist.
Woo! They missed.
Don't really want it. Just ceiling. You don't care.
Break off. Break off.
Copy that.
Ow!
Ratchet, you have to get out of there now.
Weapon locker depleted.
Yeah, we're working on it.
No, my plan. You've ruined my plan. I've had this one coming a long time, Clark. Of all my brilliant creations, it remains one of my favorites. Meet the Rhino, as in rip you a new one.
Hey, and the fairies.
Meet just seconds to. Yeet.
Warning. Now entering Umbra's atmosphere. Any ideas?
Come on, guys. Get out of there. Come on.
Never make it out in time.
We've got to help.
It's too late. There's nothing we can do.
We must find one of Drek's teleporters.
I saw one on the bridge.
Watch out!
Hang on, boys.
It's here! Hit the brakes!
Relax.
Oh!
Quark!
Right! The first!
Get out while you can. Teleporter charging.
Clank! What are you doing?
Doing!